How much should you actually spend on binoculars for hunting? Some people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting, so let's dig deeper into which binoculars are really worth your hard-earned cash.
Product number 1, Ocker 12x25 Compact Binoculars. The Ocker 12x25 Compact Binoculars, priced at just $35.98. What caught my eye about these is their portability and large eyepiece design. If you want a lightweight option that's easy to carry without sacrificing image quality, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With a 12x magnification and 25mm objective lens, you're getting a wide field of view at 273 feet/1,000 yards, which is essential for spotting game quickly. Plus, it has FMC broadband coating and a Bay AK4 prism for clear imaging even in low light. So when you're out hunting, you can identify your target without straining your eyes. Now, some people complained about the build quality feeling a bit cheap, which is understandable considering the price. Here's the thing though, if you're just starting out or need something for casual use, this isn't a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner or enjoy casual birdwatching. Skip this one if you're a serious hunter needing something super durable. For the price, it's hard to beat. Now, if the build quality of the Ocker bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Flyant 20x50 Binoculars. The Flyant 20x50 high-powered binoculars, retailing at $32.38. What really grabbed my attention here is the 20x zoom capability. If you want to see details from 1,000 yards away, this one's definitely worth considering. Here's why this matters. The wide field of view at 168 yards means you can easily spot your prey, and the 50mm objective lens gives you brighter images even in low light conditions. The BAK4 Poro prism ensures nearly perfect light transmission, making your hunting experience a lot more enjoyable. With over 7,000 units sold just last month, this seems to be a popular choice. Now, I did see some complaints about the weight being a bit cumbersome for long hikes, but honestly, if you're serious about getting a clear view of your target, that extra weight comes with the territory. This is perfect for you if you're looking for high magnification without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you need something ultra lightweight. For the features you're getting, it's a solid deal. All right, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those late night hunts.
Product number 3, Adorgon 12x42 HD Binoculars. Let's switch gears to the Adorgon 12x42 HD Binoculars, which come in at $49.99. These binoculars caught my attention with their lightweight design and low-light vision capabilities. If you want to catch details during dusk or dawn, this is worth a serious look. These binoculars offer a large field of view at 367 feet per 1,000 yards, making them perfect for spotting action from a distance. The 16.5mm Bach 4 prism lens ensures that you'll still see a clear image even in less than ideal conditions. Plus, the included phone adapter makes it easy to capture your hunting moments. This is especially useful for sharing your experiences online. However, I did see a few mentions of issues with the phone adapter fitting, which might frustrate some users. But here's the thing, if you're not planning on using it often, it's still a minor issue that shouldn't stop you from enjoying the binoculars themselves. This is perfect for you if you love to document your outdoor adventures. Skip this one if you're not into taking photos. Given the low light capability and clarity, it's a great buy. Now, if the phone adapter of the Adorgon isn't your thing, let's check out something that's built for serious durability.
Product number 4, Vortex Triumph HD 10x42 Binoculars. Meet the Vortex Triumph HD 10x42 Binoculars, priced at $99. What stands out here is the lifetime warranty that Vortex offers. If you want peace of mind, this is worth a serious look. These binoculars offer HD optics with fully multi-coated lenses, which means you get exceptional color fidelity and light transmission. The 10x magnification is ideal for a variety of hunting scenarios, and the rugged, waterproof, and fog-proof design means you can rely on them in adverse weather conditions. Plus, the adjustable eye cups make it comfortable for everyone. However, the price is a bit higher than some of the others on this list, and some users have mentioned that they are heavier than expected. But honestly, the durability and clarity you get make it worth the investment if you're a serious outdoors person. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable and durable option for your next adventure. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget. It's a fantastic investment for serious hunters. Now, if you want to go even bigger, the next binoculars on my list might catch your eye.
Product number 5, Vortex Triumph HD 12 by 50 binoculars, which are priced at $119. The first thing that struck me is the 12x magnification paired with a large objective lens. If you want to spot distant targets with clarity, this is worth a serious look. These binoculars take everything great about the 10 by 42 model and amplify it. With a magnification of 12x and a 50mm objective lens, the light transmission is exceptional, meaning you'll see sharp, bright images even as the sun goes down. Plus, they're both waterproof and fog-proof, ensuring you can use them in almost any condition. Now, I did notice some feedback about the price being a bit steep for casual users. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about hunting or outdoor activities, you'll appreciate the quality and the features that these bring to the table. This is perfect for you if you want the best of the best for serious hunting. Skip this one if you only hunt occasionally. For the quality, you're getting a great value for money.
The Ocker 12 by 25 is a budget-friendly portable option, while the Flyant 20 by 50 gives you high power without breaking the bank. The Adorgorn 12 by 42 offers great low light capabilities, and the Vortex Triumph HD 10 by 42 is all about durability and peace of mind. Finally, the Vortex Triumph HD 12 by 50 is for those who want top-tier performance. Each has its strengths, so consider what fits your needs best.